The future of charging is wireless. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone, the same wireless charger is compatible with both. But sometimes it seems like all we've done is exchange ugly and annoying cords for ugly and annoying charging pads. They clutter up our desks and nightstands and are even more obtrusive than cables. Most have bright glowing lights that keep you awake at night, which is super annoying. And not only that, but they have really short range, so if you have a thick case or a pop socket, it probably won't charge your phone anyway. What's the point of wireless charging if you're replacing the wires with something worse than a wire? Here at Archon, we love wireless charging. But to be truly magical, we believe the best wireless charger is the one you don't see. Introducing the world's first long-distance wireless charger that's compatible with the technology already in your phone. It's essentially an invisible wireless charger. Archon charges wirelessly and does so without being seen by eliminating the normal distance constraints of wireless charging. No more table clutter, no more bright lights, no more case compatibility issues. Archon's patent-pending technology allows you to charge your phone at distances up to 35 millimeters away. That means it works under any desk, nightstand, or countertop. It charges through wood, plastic, granite, quartz, glass. If you have a tabletop made out of something, Archon can charge your phone through it. Well, except metal. But when's the last time you bought a titanium nightstand? Archon is super easy to set up and use. You just plug it in, stick it under the table, and start charging. It comes in two flavors, the 25mm version and the extra long-range 35mm version for even the thickest tabletops. At Archon, we're pushing the limits of what wireless charging can do. Rather than swap an old wire for a new one, or put another gadget on your desk, we're telling you to clear off your space and throw out your wires. This is the future of charging, and with your help, we hope to move the industry forward in a big way. Archon is the world's best wireless charger because it's the only one you never see.